Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to put your iPad, iPhone, or iOS device. Well, I'm gonna teach you how to put your iOS device into DFU mode. And the DFU mode could be a little tricky and stuff. And it could also be used if you're installing a jailbreak for your iOS device on the PC. You need to put your iOS device in DFU mode. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do that. Now first of all, plug your iOS device or these stuff onto your Mac or Windows PC and make sure iTunes is running. Second, hold down both the power button and home button. Wait, I'll check the site if this info is correct. I'll pause. Okay, so I'm back and that's right. You hold down the power button and the home button. Don't hold them yet. Wait for my instruction. Keep them both held down for about 10 seconds. If you see the Apple logo, you've held them too long and will need to start again. Now you can start pressing. I'll give you 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let go of the power button, but keep holding the home button for 5 seconds. The button below. If you see the plus into iTunes screen, I don't know what the plus into iTunes thing means. I just make the TV mute. Well, anyway, if you see that, if you see this picture, that means you'll have to start again. And if you push the power button or home button long enough and it doesn't switch on, that means your iPad or iPhone or iPad Touch is in DFU mode, and if you're installing a jailbreak, then it should take over. I'll get my charger. So yeah, it should be in DFU mode now. So comment, rate, and subscribe. This is Hasari 222222555 666 signing out. Peace yo. Bye bye.